Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe.
To read up a Kusumanjali. Subject to be ascertained. Subject to be ascertained is the title of this section.
Subject to ascertain. Like it. You ascertain the Guru, you fix the Guru because you want to move for a spiritual life. You ascertain the Ishtadev. No, Vishnu is my Ishtadev. Shiva is my Ishtadev. Or Radha Krishna is my Ishtadev. Or Radha Rani. You ascertain. Then third subject is this to ascertain. But this is all moving because chanting is moving. And then chanting not move, all become stop. This desire not comes to me. Then we ascertain how to enjoy my this senses, that senses, that senses.
Subject to be ascertained. The name of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, who is one of the 6 Goswami Acharyas.
सुनीता गरम पानी करके दो भाई बॉइलिंग
who are the most excellent, dearmost associates of Sri Chaitanya, the incarnation who sanctifies the current age of Kali, is world famous. His renunciation, dispassion, fixation in worship, devotional eagerness, etc., are established as the greatest examples of loving devotion and eternally attracts the faith of the practitioners of Raga Marga. This Vilapa Kusumanjali is one of the hymns of the collection of hymns called Stavavali, which was composed by him. In this book, Sripad Raghunath Das Goswami picked flowers of lamentation from the grove of his heart, which was filled with feelings of divine separation, which he then sprinkled with his tears and offered to the lotus feet of his most beloved deity, Srimati Radharani.
This I say one thing. When I was young, 16 years old, I was in Vrindavan. One sadhu coming, we are listening to him. He said, when the eyes start talking and air start drinking, then our spiritual life starts. Eyes start talking and air start drinking. Eyes start talking and air start drinking. I don't understand. But he always say, eyes start talking, air start drinking. Understand, Maharaj? When air will start drinking, when there is no diversion, you see, diversion bring there. Diversion will come this time when you cut the connection of listening. Drinking. Drinking means three cut, they say to me. One, you say, oh, what he is talking, I know this. She think like this. She went there. He sit up. When he will sit up, he will not listen to us. He will be a guru of us. Sit down. Try to start sitting down. He said, you have to listen. Then you have to be humble. Nature. Come sit near to Father. You are grown up child now. 10 years coming. Listening. We cut the listening. We don't want to listen. And when you not listen, then how it will go inside? It will never go. Second come, he is talking little wrong. It should be this way. He is also cutting. It will never go, I accept it. And third thing, that I'm sitting here, but my mind is going out. Why not to go out and play with the children? He is also not listening. Body is there, but it's not listening. So that they will not listen. They are not listener. Drinker, it's a drinker become drinking. With the drink, you drink like a non-stop when you are thirsty. Means no need to block yourself to receive it. That's a drinking. Listening like a drinking. Rasa Shastra goes like a drinking, then enter in our heart. Drink and drink and drink and drink, some drop can touch you. And our eyes will start, when his real listening will go, the heart will melt and tears will come from the heart. That is your subject. You no need to remove, you cannot remove it because the heart accepts it. Heart accepts it. So this is listening way of life. When we realize tears melting. Melting is tears is my talking. Then we talk with the tears. So Raghunath Das Goswami is talking through the tears. Means he is talking how he realizes softly inside. It's coming out in the form of tears.
This is real talking.
Real talking. When you block your throat and tears is and melting heart, that is beautiful moment of the listening.
And real talking is also listening.
Yeah. Right also. Drinking. When you are ready to drink from your ears, when ears start drinking and eyes start talking.
Without proper listening.
Mm-hmm.
Without proper listening and taught properly. In this book, Sripad Raghunath Das Goswami has picked flowers of lamentation from the grove of his heart, which was filled with feelings of divine separation, which he then sprinkled with his tears and offered to the lotus feet of his most beloved deity, Srimati Radharani,
Down.
deeply absorbed in his awareness of his spiritual body, Sripad lamented eagerly for the direct vision of service of Sri Radha, like a young maidservant who feels intense separation from the mistress of her life.
In
This-
Siddha Deha, not in Sadhak Deha. In Siddha Deha, what she feels? She is a female body. She dressed prasadi clothes of the Radhika. She has nothing to do, only service of her. That's the goal of her. And feels separation when she come in the bodily consciousness. Then she feels the separation. That's the separation from that. Because bodily consciousness is not a Siddha Deha, Prakriti Deha, plastic body, who bring out for the sense identification. And then ego control us. And then we in the clutch of Maya. Then we have to need sadhak deha to become doer. In our siddha deha, we are watching and ready to serve all the time. Viewer, we view. Yeah. All the moment we view. One point to learn first how to do it. And always in the service. There is no time to chanting mantra, Diksha mantra. How can I say, give me half an hour time to chant and I will bring water for you. You are thirsty, you have to wait half an hour for me. Because I am chanting Gayatri. You say, yes, do it. Go in sadhak there. My service you will not get it. I never work. I never serve anything. Oh, good. I have to serve you because you have no idea for that. You are better in sadhak there. You have to prepare chanting and this. This is sadhak deha job. So how to go in siddha deha. And who not do in sadhak deha, in siddha deha you have to do. No possible. Sadhak deha is different job, siddha deha is different job. Bhajan and kriya also. That has to be positive, one-pointed. It's better to sleep in her meditation than doing nothing. That will bring you siddha deha. Niraparad naam lai, tara hoy prema that. If you do offenses, prema how can come? Seva not make you to offensive. Seva is the only thing who protect you from offenses. Seva is only protecting us. No? Only Seva can protect us.
Deeply absorbed in his awareness of his spiritual body,
You say,
Sripad lamented eagerly for the direct vision of service of Sri Radha, like a young maidservant
wow,
who feels intense separation from the mistress of her life. This is Vilapa Kusumanjali. Such humble prayers, so full of deep yearning and intensely surging feelings of separation, are rare indeed within Sanskrit literature. Newer and newer waves of desire surges within the river of his heart. He could not tolerate the pain of separation from Sri Radha for even a moment. The more the time of his passing away approached, the more eager he became for Sri Radha's direct vision and service, like a greatly loving maidservant. Every day, his heart was burning
Radhe.
in the forest fire of great separation from Sri Radha. His lamentations of separation were like an intensely mounting flame that is belched out within this Vilapa Kusumanjali. All the aspirations for Sri Radha's loving service as a maidservant that awoke within Sripad's heart, the variegation, wonderfulness, excellence, expertise, eager prayer.
Expertise, what?
Expertise means the knack of doing seva, like
Yeah, that's the point.
sensitive.
Like your Prem Prashad. You got the expertise that you don't bother for the funds and it's moving on with your expertise. That it will go on is not one day program. Nobody can block you. This is your expertise and the quality is maintained. That is expertise in seva. And timely is happening. Timely you are coming. Other secondary, other job for you. That is your expertise. You do yourself is your expertise. Means you involve there. Like Shama Priya. Her expertise is that she starts involve herself also in that service and try to grow their children. And not growing is surprising that the children start learning very fast and earning fast. They start earning with that. And they generate the hobby to give full time, only not 3 days, every day that she can do it. That is her expertise. She gives the material and she gives the expertise, how to do it and ideas, and they prove that they can do it. Right? This expertise is a gifted thing. When you do, then expertise comes in that. How many problems you face to reach in this position and how you control the things, that is your expertise. Without doing it, possible to know? Now nobody, you need the help for that, right? Because you have expertise. Means any seva, when you do with heart and service of Swami service, she makes you expertise. Similarly, when you will go in Siddhadeha, you will be the top leader. Not Balram will be top leader because he is not listening. He can be guru, but he is not top leader. He will listen, he will be expertise, will come to him. He can get it, but he has to create. Listening more. Understand, Balram? If you want to be expert, you have to go in that service. It become expertise.
the expertise, eager prayer, Sri Radha's beauty, sweetness, love, passion, her service to Mohan.
That's the meaning. She is the teacher, she is the guru, Ashraya Tattva. If he has no one-pointedness, how she will teach us to be a one-pointed? We catch the person, human, who is 100-pointed. Our nature also become 100-point program. Right or no?
Society is like this. They call it multi-talented. They don't like people focused on one.
Well, my guru is 100-pointed. Naturally, I have to be 25-pointed. Radhika said, no, I am one-pointed. I will teach you only one-pointed thing. If you want to learn many-pointed, go out. Go to the person, find something. We are only one-pointed program. And they are experts who is one-pointed. See that? Anyone? With 2, 3-pointed, they are not experts. They will never become. They are, English they say, phrase, jack of all, master in none.
Her service to Mohan and her eagerness to attain Mohan can all be ascertained within this hymn.
Yeah. How to attend him is not easy. You put the name Krishna, he is not easy to attend. He is not ready to catch because his name is Krishna. He is not in control of anyone. All is a Paramatma and Brahma for him. He can go and do PP any place. Because you see every place. Even the PP also Brahma he accepts. He is like this, divine.
Sorry, Mom.
He is not wrong.
This is the Mom Suji.
We have not higher vision of Krishna. He knows. So many times the cook for Shada and the Krishna go and eat. Or eat by knowing. Because he was Brahmavati, right?
Yes, all is the same. Everything is one.
Yeah, God, everything is a God. It's a here also God.
No difference.
Not easy to control this Krishna. Only by love is controlled.
By hearing of this, glorifying and meditating on this, the heart and mind of any sensitive devotee,
Which devotee?
sensitive,
What is meaning of that?
one who pays attention, one who's listening,
Yeah, that's the point.
one who's
Means there are other type of devotee also.
that's most of us.
How they do this? One is sensitive, others what type? What?
Insensitive.
Insensitive. That I want to know. That insensitive devotee is not sensitive devotee. Which category we come? We are devotee, but sensitive and not insensitive. Only sensitive can catch it. Insensitive will not bother for it.
The sensitive is in feeling. In feeling.
Yeah?
Feel-
If not connection, how your sensitiveness will come? Connection make you feeling. If no relation, no connection, you stop feeling. You block yourself. What you block? Your sensitiveness to not to feel.
By hearing of this, glorifying this, and meditating on this, the heart and the mind of any sensitive devotee will be immersed in feelings of service to Sri Radha and will become eager and anxious to attain the service of Sri Radha's lotus feet.
Yeah,
Of this there's no doubt.
Sri Radha.
Next section titled Raganuga Bhakti.
This was
This was
titled,
subject to be ascertained.
even this is not Raganuga. This is the preparation to ascertain myself. Go on.
Raganuga Bhakti. Gaudiya Vaishnavas take shelter of the mode of worship called Raganuga Bhakti. Devotion
What is the difference between Raganuga and Bhakti? Huh?
In Vaidhi Bhakti, our goal is God, and in Raganuga, our goal is love, rather.
Right. Ascertain your goal, Raga starts. When you ascertain yourself, fix yourself, then Rag will start. When you will fix that, who are you? Body, senses, ego. You are something else. When you ascertain that, your Rag will start. You not ascertain, Raga Anuga, not possible.
In Vaidhi Bhakti, we follow rules and regulations and scripture injunctions. Like the Raga Bhakti, we follow the mood of the lovers of Krishna, friends, parents, gopis.
Now you see he is a Patit Pavan. He has a Raga with Patit Pavan. And he is in Vrindavan. But he still is Raga. How? Because his eyes is looking in Radha Mohan also Patit Pavan. So he relates with Patit Pavan in the mood of, he relates with Radha Mohan to looking Patit Pavan. If he knows he Patit Pavan, he cannot relate it. That is Raga. And the day he will ascertain other things, his Sarup, he will be a Siddha Purush. Siddha Purush means only by thinking things are happening. That is a Siddha Purush. They think, their mind comes something and it happens without no effort. They don't do efforts for anything because they have no time for that. Then Krishna is doing for him. Because he is certain he will not move for anything and he is fixed there. He thinks and it happens. One story I say you, one Baba, Niskinchan Baba is living in Radhakund. He become little sick and he has no money because he is Niskinchan Baba. No clothes, no money, nothing. So he tried to fix himself to Anil Bhajan. That one day when he has no money, he ascertained to find some money. The day he went out to Parikrama of Radhakund, one said give 1 rupee of coin to him. 1 rupee coin. that time in 50s. 1 rupee coin is too much like a 100 rupees maybe that time. Then he think 25 paise I will use for medicine. Parikrama doing, before he was thinking, chanting, now he starts thinking, and in the parikrama that I will buy 25 paise medicine. 25 paise I will buy some clothes. 25 paise I will keep safe. Like this he is calculating. Even it going on. Again, in night time he is doing bhajan up to 12. He is chanting not, he is thinking of that program. Morning again come, Baba. You find same seat. He said, Baba, this coin you take it. I cannot arrange this. Very still. I am calculating. My bhajan finished. My everything finished. I cannot do this. And he refund the coin because he is fixed some other place. He cannot manage now. And he don't want to take out his mind to ascertaining these things. So he is fixed there. First time said he see some person who is refunding him the same point back to him. Then he realized who's sadhu and how to serve them. We start giving dandavat, crying. Baba, give to what you like to do. More you want to give them. 1 rupee is big. Why are you giving me more? Because he's fixed in one point. Then raga. I fixed in my bhajan. I fixed with Radhika. Nothing to bother, nothing to calculate, nothing to find in the scripture. Why do you see that scripture? I have a doubt about. Why are you looking for Krishna? Still you are not assigned with Krishna. So how you will go on? Still you have a doubt with the Krishna. So he not open, remove the curtain because you will not understand how to go inside to serve Radhika. He said, good with me to you. I will not remove curtain for going in because you are too out.
Gaudiya Vaishnavas take shelter of the mode of worship called Raganuga Bhakti.
That is meaning of Gaudiya. Because we see Mahaprabhu like a Krishna, so we are not Gaudiya. We are trying to find what is meaning of Gaudiya. So we say Gaur Nitai. What is Gaur Nitai? Because you see Krishna and his assistant is Nitai. You not see the Nitai give you the Gaur. Without Nitai, you will not know that she is the Radha Krishna. So you say Gaur Nitai. Who says the Gaur Nitai, you understand he see the Krishna only. You ask what you see in God, you will say Krishna. The day you will see Radha Krishna, you will say Nitai God. Because Nitai gave you God. See that? Many are there. They will say God Nitai. Or you can say back to Krishna. Yeah, first to Krishna. Others are his followers. Arey no, yaar. God is follower of Nitai. Nitai, God followed to Nitai because of the love of Nitai. He do that. He knows that he is a Radha Krishna, not God Nitai. Right or not? You see that. Anyone who says God Nitai say Krishna. We are fortunate. We never say Nitai, God Nitai. Because we start from Vrindavan, Rasika Association. So we have no idea God Nitai word. But I know when I'm traveling 20 years, only I have to listen to Gaur Nitai. Huh? Right, Maharaj?
Right. Temples also called sometimes Goditai.
Right?
Many temples I saw
No,
Goditai.
come Vrindavan, never understanding was clear. Oh.
Gaudiya Vaishnavas take shelter of the mode of worship called Raganuga Bhakti, devotion in the wake of divine passion.
Passion. I went to South America. What they say in South America? What? I don't remember the word.
For what? For what?
One is lujuria,
Lujuria.
lujuria. One is
Avaricia.
passionate, what you say?
Pasión.
No.
Lujuria.
Sentimentalism.
Sentimentalismo. Sentimentalismo.
Yeah. No become sentiment. I no become sentimental. What is this one?
Passion.
Passion. We see only passion from my senses, body and mind. We never see passion from the Sarupavish. This passion comes when Sarupavish. If you have no passion, you will never go for Sarupavish. You will never leave your senses enjoyment. I try to leave this. Till my passion not grow, I cannot leave it. When passion will come, it will be nothing. It's tiring business for one boat. You do, but there is no passion in that. You do in a form of the service, not in passion. Passion, one time you can use here or there. If you are using here, you cannot use there. And when you use there, you cannot bring back to them, use here. No, done. You move it this direction, lower direction to upper direction. Nothing to leave here, nothing to leave. It's a very good subject, I am telling you. You are underlining not what I will say. This, if you understand, you will not leave this Vilasu Sumanjali book. Only who has no passion or
Sentiment.
Sentimentalism.
yeah, no.
Divine passion.
Passion and what? Intelligent or what? What? Huh?
Sensitive.
Sensitive. Block cannot do. Sensitive only will. Sensitive means sense is very active, not a foolish.
Tuned always.
When we engage our senses here in our ear, listening, our eyes, all the senses in this, then we will get free from material lust.
Passion will come there, sensitiveness will move right way.
And the material lust go, right?
Material thing is material. A spiritual person also go to kaka and pipi, but they have no passion in that. If not, then they make very heavy investment in kaka and pipi. Whole project of the life is kaka and pipi.
Radhe.
Yeah. Party goal is should be fixed. Everything for you. You not go singing, there are not other singers.
Radhe. Radha.
Good. Listen, Srivas class is very beautiful. This is the key point you find it. From Vilapu Samanjali, what is not there. How you find it?
It was in the PDF that Tarun sent me a long time ago. And when I didn't have the book, I was reading from PDF. That's how I remembered. Otherwise, I would not have known. Somehow it got missed.
Beautiful thing.
So beautiful.
This is the meaning of reading of Vilapu Samanjali. If we not meaning and know, then what is my goal will happen. One is to fix. What?
Fix.
Ascertain.
Ascertain.
Second, Raga Bhakti will start.
Yeah, without Ishta, no Rag.
Without Ishta, Raga. What? Without lover, what is the existence of beloved? What is the existence of mother? What is the existence of friend? Then friend decides which type of mother I have, and friend I have to become. Subal, Sridham, Uddhav, or Sudama,
Manumangal.
Madhumangal. Which type of friend I want to be? Mother, which type of mother? Putana, Devaki, Mother Jasoda. She is Mother Jasoda. Why? 4 years boy is still breastfeeding. Now he is going to be 5 years.
Before.
Huh?
He's going to be 4.
Now 4.
Yeah, next one.
Up to 5 breast milk will come to her. This is the Mother Jasoda. Many not feed 1 month here. Mother no milk because the breast will become bad. The shape put the nipple, breast nipple, that poison to kill, like an abortion. Many mother exist. All 3 mother exist still. All friends exist. Judah is also there with Jesus. Is all existing. More hard. Judah was a little harder. Krishna associates they are not so hard like a Judah. But Jesus always loved like a friend. At the last moment, he don't know that he is a Judah. He is the reason of my killing. He knows. But he is not say to his friends. This is the Father desire, he thinks. So much faith in Father, so much love with Father. This is love. Who can love like him, Father? Allah. Great example. Sweet only lovers, that is Bhaktamal. Lovers, how the love moves. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda